Hi there, we're here at the Stingray Chevrolet Parts Department warehouse. We'll give you a quick pan around and show you what's going on here at Stingray Chevrolet and why you should buy all your parts and accessories through us. The reason is we've got them. As you can see how big and expansive our parts warehouse is. To give you an idea of just how big it is, if you went down to your local football field, we've got Tampa Stadium around here, you could place it all right inside here. That's how big this place is. So if you need a part for your car, truck, SUV, or anything, give us a call here at Stingray Chevrolet, the big store in I-4, stingraychevrolet.com.